Here are the awardees for grade 9 Exodus. Perfect Attendance Award is given to Paharon Jacob. Wala. Mediante Revenji. Wala. Gono Alexa, Athlete of the Year and Conduct Awardee. Requesting all the students from the canteen kindly come here on stage. Apil lang nasa classroom sa waiting shed. Makinto Alicia, Athlete of the Year. Alberca Cheryl Rose, Perfect Attendance Award and Conduct Awardee. She will also receive General Services Award. Natcher April Rose. She will receive Athlete of the Year, Conduct Award, and General Services Award. Priscillia's Feven Love. She will receive Conduct Award, Leadership Award, Athlete of the Year Award, and Perfect Attendance Award. Requesting all the awardees from grade 9 to grade 12 to come here in front of the stage para paspas ang atuang pag-award. Kanang nasa canteen, please. Anhin mo dire. We will not continue the program unless all the students are gathered here in front of the stage. Please, advisors, katong wala diri sa stage, we would like to have your assistance on your students. Palihog og plaster sa ato ang mga bata dire. All the advisors and non-advisors are requested to report according to Sir Genesis. ASAP. Again, all advisors and non-advisors are requested to come here on stage as per Sir Genesis Talha. And also all the awardees, please come here para diretso na ato ang program. Wala sa'y mabilin diya sa kantin o kanang sa waiting shed sa grade 9. Double time please, advisors and non-advisors are requested to come here on stage. Tanan daw kuno walay mabilin diya sa faculty room ato pa ni Sir Genesis. Alberca Melanie. She will receive Beadle of the Year Award, Perfect Attendance, Conduct Award, and General Services Award. Requesting the parent to come here on stage with her. Valmoria Crystal Rain with honors. She will receive Conduct Award, Athlete of the Year, Perfect Attendance Award, and General Services Award. Bisere Ninya K with honors. She will receive Athlete of the Year, Leadership Award, General Services Award, and Conduct Award. Lukob Cyril Alexis with honors. She will receive Conduct Award, Perfect Attendance, Leadership Award, and General Services Award. Requesting Sir Bulando. Sir Bulando, ikaw taod gamay. Ano rin si ate? Wala. Bioyo Maureen Kate with honors. She will receive General Services Award, Leadership Award, Club Member of the Year, and Conduct Award. Inting Jillian Marie with honors. She will receive Conduct Award, Perfect Attendance, Leadership Award, Athlete of the Year. Kabaktulan Bea with honors. She will receive Conduct Award, Leadership Award, Artist of the Year, Perfect Attendance, and General Services Award. Silingan. Arkansas Mary Catherine with high honors. She will receive Conduct Award, Award for Club or Organizational Achievement, Journalism Excellence Award, and General Services Award.
Congratulations once again to the grade 9 students. This time, we will proceed to the academic and non-academic awardees from grade 11 Ezra.